Okay, so we try to answer the questions here. Yeah, so last week I asked you to try the pair up questions, 3 questions actually. Okay, so the first one, question 1A. Okay, I will invite one student to write. Okay, Matthias, can you read the question? Table 1.
Table 1 shows the number of protons and neutrons for the atom of elements Q and X. The letter used are not the actual symbols for the elements.
Yeah, okay. So this one shows the number of protons. Okay, protons and neutrons for the atoms, Q and X, right? Okay, so the letter used are not the actual symbol. Okay, so always remember in exam they will use this sentence. So we look into the Q and X, proton number, and then the neutrons. Okay. Now 1. Okay. First one. Okay, Camelia, can you read the question? 1. What is the
Teacher, is it me?
yeah, Camelia.
What is the nuclear number for atom Q?
Okay. So what is your answer?
23.
23. Okay. How you get the 23 nuclear number? How you get 23?
I plus proton and neutron.
Yeah. So the formula for the nuclear number will be proton plus the neutrons. Okay, right? So for Q, you see the proton is 11. So neutron is 12. So your total up is 23. Okay, class. So the question also can ask you the X. Okay, so if X will be 35, so the question can change to any one of these. Okay, good, Camelia. Okay, next. Number 2. Okay. Willie, can you answer this question? Right. Read the question first.
Write the electron arrangement of atom Q to to at 2.8.1.
Okay, 2.8.1. Okay, correct, Willie. Okay, so class, I would like you to pay attention here. This one is the atom Q, atom Q. So meaning that is the neutral one, the actual one. So it's 281, 281. Let's say class, now if the question change to write the electron arrangement for ions Q. Okay, so what is your answer? Anyone? What is the answer? If ions Q, what is the electron arrangement? Siapa tahu? Hmm? Can I ask Stawi? If ions Q, atom Q is 281. This one is correct. If ions Q, Stawi? Hmm? If you don't know, you can let us know. Okay. Next, I would like to ask. Okay, Faris, how about ions Q? What is the answer? Just try, don't worry. Faris, if ions Q, what is your answer? What is the electron arrangement? Okay, Faris?
Don't know, teacher.
You don't know. Okay, you don't want to try?
Hmm.
Okay, okay, I give you a clue. Ions means it already achieved octet electron arrangement. Means it will be gain or lost the electrons to achieve octet electron arrangement already.
Hmm.
Hmm?
2.8.
Yeah, 2.8. Okay, very good. 2.8. Yes. Meaning that if ions Q, the electron arrangement already achieved octet, now it will be 2.8. Okay? Yeah, very good, Faris. So like this, ions Q electron arrangement is 2.8. Okay. Now another one questions can will be asked. What is the formula for the ions Q? Meaning that it achieve octet electron arrangement is 2.8. So what is the formula for the ion Q? Okay. Ion Q. So what is the formula? Okay, this one I like to ask another student. Okay, don't worry, if I call your names, you just try to answer it. Okay, don't be afraid now. Okay, Jerome, if ions Q, meaning that now is 2.8 already, huh? It lost 1 electron, release 1 electrons. So what is the charge? Becomes the ion, right? So what is the charge? Jerome? Oh, Jerome. Okay, that's why I prefer you to on your camera lah, so that I know you are here. Okay. Okay, who else you want to try? What is the formula? Okay, Trinity, try. What is the formula for the Q ions?
The formula.
Yeah, formula. Meaning that the charge, right? Any idea?
No, teacher.
Oh, no. Okay, never mind. Okay, I try to ask another student, see how. Okay, don't worry, don't worry. If you really don't know, just mention it. You are not sure. Okay, shooting. What is the formula? Yeah, shooting.
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know also. Okay. Okay. How about Willie? Willie, how about you? What is the formula?
Power. Yeah. Not sure.
You're not sure also. You don't want to try also. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Never mind. Okay. So class, after you the ion Q electron arrangement is 2.8, right? Okay, this is correct. Meaning that now these ions it lost 1 electron, right? Okay, lost 1 electrons, correct? So what is the electrons now? Is 2, 8, right? So it'll be 10 electrons, correct? Then how about the protons? Any change to proton?
Stairs 11 ka?
11 protons, right? Okay. Proton is positive, electron is negative. So 11 protons, 10 electrons. So what is the charge?
Positive.
Protons more, right? Correct. Protons more 1 unit. So meaning that now the charge will become positive 1. In other words, the formula for the Q is Q positive. Is that okay, class? Boleh ke, class? Yeah. I repeat one more time. Okay. Okay. Initially, atom Q, okay, it has 11 protons, 11 electrons, right? Okay. So that's why the charge is no charge. Okay. But during the reaction, okay, formation of the ions, so it would lose 1 electron, right? Lost 1 electron. So becomes 10 electrons. That's why the electron arrangement is 2n. Correct. Okay. Now, in the protons still remain the same. Proton is positive. Electron is negative. Right. So the total electrons and protons now is not balanced anymore. Tidak seimbang sudah kan. Jadi proton dia ada 11. Electron dia 10 saja. So meaning that now protons extra 1, right? Extra 1 meaning that the charge now becomes positive 1, right? Okay. So that's why the charge for the Q is positive. Is that okay, class? Boleh ke? Can? Okay. Satu soalan ekstra di sini. Kalau X, okay. Atom X, what is the electron arrangement? Okay, Adrian, what is the electron arrangement for atom X?
2.8.7.
Okay, very good. Okay, 2.8.7, huh? Okay. Now, second question. How about ions X? I asked another student. Okay. BB, if now ions X, meaning that achieve octet electron arrangement, 8 valence electrons. So what is the electron arrangement?
2.8.6.
8.8.6. Okay. 6 is still not balanced, not stable, if 2.8.6 is not stable. So our purpose now, or during the chemical reaction, it must be 8 is stable. We call it octet. Octet, O-C-T-E-T, octet electron arrangement means it's stable. So try again. 2.8 point.
2.8.
Yes, it should be 8. Not 6, So meaning that it should be 8. 2.8.8. Meaning that this ion X, it needs to gain 1 electron. Correct? Initially is 7. Mula-mula dia 7 saja kan. Dia tambah 1 elektron. Jadi 8 lah. Boleh. So 2.8.8. So what is the formula for the ions of X? Okay, Cynthia, can you try to give the ions X? What is the charge?
Wait, teacher.
Okay, Ken. You compare the initial one. Initial one is 17 protons, right? 17 electrons. Correct? For atom X.
Is it negative?
Negative 1, negative 2.
-1.
Yeah, correct. So the formula for the X ions will be X -1, no? -1. Okay, then? Now you can write here lah. Protons still remain 17 protons, but now you already gain 1 electron, so becomes 18 electrons. In other words, electrons is more 1 unit compared to protons. So becomes X -1 or X negative. Okay, that class. Oh,
Yes.
This concept is simple, but a lot of students cannot answer the questions. So you have to be careful whether the question asks you the atoms or ions. Okay, so if the question asks you about the ions, meaning that it needs to achieve octet electron arrangement, which is the stable one already. Okay. Now you see this question. Ions, see it now? Ions Q. Ions Q means already achieved octet electron arrangement. So meaning that is this one. So have you tried? If atoms Q would be 281. If ions Q would be 28 only, 28 only. So if 28, remember you have to put a charge for it, positive one. Okay. So it's 28 lah, 28. 28. So be careful on this. Okay, class? No more question, no? Can or not? In exam, so you have to be careful on this kind of questions. Okay, so we prepare so early, next year only you sit for your SPM. So remember, don't wait until last minute, always do revision, Okay, now B. Okay, Dawi, can you read the question? Dawi? No response. Dawi, are you with us? If you cannot talk, you also let us know. Let's say you're outside. Okay, you let us know. Okay. No response. Okay. Now, BB, can you read the question for B? Atom Z.
Atom Z is an isotope of atom Z.
X, right? Atom X. Isotopes of atom X. So, the question is, yeah, B1, state the number.
State
Yeah,
the
BB.
number of proton in an atom Z.
So what is the answer?
17.
17x. Oh? Let's see. Yeah. They have same proton number, right? 17. Yes, correct. 17. Okay. So you have to remember isotopes of X. Isotopes, they have same. Okay. Same protons. Okay. Different neutrons or nuclear number. Okay. Now Z is the isotope of X. So X, you see here, proton is 17. So meaning that the Z also 17. Okay, very good, BB. Huh? Okay, next. Next question. Okay. Jonathan, can you read this one? Number 2. Why
Why atom S and Z have same chemical properties?
Okay. Have you tried this one? Why they have same chemical properties? Okay. Meaning that the isotopes are right. Anyone? Jerome? Sorry, Jonathan. Have you answered this question? Why they have same chemical properties? Yes.
还没我
有吗？有答吗？
没有。
没有啊。Okay. So here, anyone, same chemical properties, you remember one thing. Okay. Same chemical properties, you look into the valence electrons. Okay. So same valence electrons. So they have same valence electrons. Okay. So you just remember that if they have same valence electrons, meaning that they have same chemical properties. How do we know it has the same valence electrons? Because the protons are the same, right? Okay. So meaning that if X is 17 protons, right? Meaning that it's 17 electrons also. So electron arrangement is 287. Okay, Z also 17 protons because they are isotopes, right? So meaning that 17 electrons also. So electron arrangement is 287 also. So if they have the same valence electrons, 7 here, meaning that they have same chemical properties. Okay or not? Yeah, so standard answer, huh? Remember that. If the question asks you same chemical properties or not, you look into the valence electron. If the same, meaning that they have the same valence electron, same chemical properties. Okay, class? Okay, next we look into the Pahang. Okay, standard representation. Okay, now we look into this question. Question number 1. Okay, Jerome, can you read the question?
Diagram 1 shows the standard representation of atom Z.
A?
What is represented by the number 3?
Okay, so these 3 represent what? What is this? Ya, Jerome? Apaan 3 ini?
Proton number.
Yes, very good. Okay, proton number. Mana amber lah, mana adrenal lah. Oh. Okay, Anessa also. They didn't mention they cannot come lah. Oh. Okay, now proton number, correct. Okay, proton number. Okay, proton number. Okay, how about 7? 7 ini apa dia? 7.
Nuclear number.
Yes, very good, Jerome. Okay, it's a nucleon number. Okay. So kalau nucleon number, proton number, okay. Jadi kita pun boleh cari neutron lah. Kan? Neutron maksudnya nucleon number tolak dengan proton. Okay. Jadi 7 tolak 3 maksudnya 4 lah. Oh. Tengok nanti dia ada, tanya tidak. Biasanya ada lah. Okay, now. Okay, formula of ion Z. Okay, semua sila cuba. Semua ada cuba ke? Belum. Kalau belum cuba, sila cuba sekarang. Okay, you try now. And after this, I will ask, call one student. Anyone. Okay, formula of ion Z. No? Sama konsep dengan apa yang kita belajar tadi. Ya? Okay, sudah. Cikgu nak tanya, Cornelia, have you tried? So what is the formula?
Z positive.
Okay, positive. Why positive? Positif itu datang dari mana? Positif itu datang dari mana? Where it come from, the positive?
Proton kan cikgu?
Yeah, it come from the protons. Very good. So, mula-mula kita tengok dia punya atoms dulu. Atoms, Z, 3 protons, right? 3 electrons, right? So, electron arrangement is 2, 1. 2, 1. So, ion Z, okay, now it's 2, 1. Yang tadi itu 8 mesti, kalau dia, if the electron arrangement is more than 2 shells, the second shell must be 8 valence electrons. But now, in this case, the 1 valence electron can be lost. So, meaning that ion Z becomes 2. Okay. This one, first shell, is called duplet electron arrangement. Okay. So this one also very stable, very stable. So, meaning that now you have 3 protons, 2 electrons. Okay. So that's why ion Z is positive. Z positive. Okay, boleh? So for duplet electron arrangement, okay, sila catatkan duplet electron arrangement for first shell only. First shell only, which is stable, like this. Okay. You cannot be like 2, 2. Okay. Then you talk about this one also duplet. No. Okay. This is not duplet. This is not stable. Duplet only for shell number 1 only. If shell number 2, you want to go for 8 or 8. Okay, so this one is not the duplet. Okay, so it needs to lose the 2 electrons becomes duplet electron arrangement. Okay, boleh ya? Okay, now C. Okay, I'd like to ask, okay, Gabriel, can you read the question?
Draw the arrangement of particle substance Z at room temperature.
Okay, so first I would like to ask you what is the physical state for Z at
Solid.
room temperature? Is it solid? This one is 2,1. 2,1 is lithium. Huh? Yes, lithium is a solid. It's a alkaline metals, right? Okay, Z is alkaline metal. So if metal, so it's a solid. Okay, solid. What is the minimum requirements for the electron arrangement? Atom arrangement of atoms. Minimum is, what is the minimum requirement? How many layers times how many layers?
3 times 3.
Yes, very good. 3 times 3, yeah, minimum. This one is more than that. Okay, so minimum 3 times 3. And then remember, not overlapping. Another one is not no gaps. Okay, no gaps. Okay, overlapping is like this. You draw, some students draw very fast, like this. Overlapping already. This one is overlapping. Gap is what, like this. Okay, sometimes the question, the student draw also very fast. Okay, like this, these gaps. Cannot, so remember. If draw like this, no marks. Okay, on that. Okay, next question. Okay, Trinity, D.
Yeah.
Question D.
Question D.
Draw the
atomic structure of atom Z.
Okay, atom Z, not ions, right?
Yeah.
Okay, atom Z, atomic structure. So what is the first you have to ask, what is the electron arrangement for atom Z first? Electron arrangement for Z. Yeah, Trinity. Try. What is the electron arrangement?
Electron arrangement.
How it arrange? You look into the number of protons and number of electrons. So how many electrons it has? Same as proton, right?
Yeah.
So how many?
3.
3. Okay, so 3. So how you arrange it? First shell, you can put in how many electrons? Shell number 1.
Shell number 1.
How many electrons you can put?
4.
Oi. Oh yeah, apparently I think you're still not sure how. Okay, first shell maximum. Okay, so you can record down. Anyone here you still never mind now. Trinity now still in time for you. Don't worry. Okay, but you have to remember lah. Anyone here you still don't know how to arrange the electron arrangement? Siapa yang tidak tahu lagi? Jerome okay gak Jerome? Jonathan okay gak? Oh, cannot also. Okay, never mind. Jerome, are you okay with this? BB, how about you?
Yes.
Yes, BB okay or not? BB?
竟然，
啊
我应该还有一点点不明白吧。
Oh, okay. Okay. I think I need to talk about this electron arrangement a while lah. Okay, yang sudah tahu, yang sudah faham itu tidak apa, sebagai ulang kaji saja. So, electron arrangement. Okay, it has rules ah. Dia ada peraturan dia. Okay, so first shell. Okay, maximum can put in how many electrons? Yang sudah tahu itu? Maximum can put in how many electrons for the first shell?
2.
2, yeah. 2 electrons, huh? Shell number 1. Okay. Second shell? Maximum boleh letak berapa?
8.
No, sorry, pardon. 没有听清楚。Yeah, 8 electrons, huh? 8 electrons. Okay, third shell? Maximum? Faris, berapa? Boleh letak berapa third shell? For SPM level lah, huh? For SPM level. Kita boleh letak berapa?
18.
8 also, huh? 8 also. 8 also. Boleh? Then number 4, fourth shell. Okay. For the SPM level lah, huh? SPM level yang boleh masuk 2 saja lah. Okay, sebab in SPM dia maximum 20 elektron saja. Boleh? 20 electrons. Jadi kita memang ikut semua inilah 2882, maximum lah. Okay. Maksudnya dalam sini kita tengok atom Z. Z dia ada 3 elektron saja, 3 elektron saja. Kita bagilah. First shell letak berapa? 2. Okay, boleh. PB okay, Trinity okay.
Okay, teacher.
It has 3 electrons. So first shell letak 2. Okay, sebab dia maximum 2 mah. Okay, letak 2. Lepas tu tinggal berapa lagi? How many electrons left after first shell put in 2? Tinggal berapa lagi? Trinity. Yeah. Trinity. First shell you put in 2 already, huh? Here. So second shell remain how many?
Second shell remain how many?
它只有3粒哦，你用了2粒还是多少？
一粒。
1粒哦，对啊。So second shell you have left only 1 嘛 correct? Because it has only 3 electrons. So first shell put in 2 already. So remains 1. So 1 only left. So all put into shell number 2 lah. Because not this one is maximum you can put in 8 ma. If not more than that, you can put in here lah. 2 1 no? So the electron arrangement is 2 1 lah. Okay 了。Jonathan 可以吗？
应该可以的。
Cannot.
来了。
Okay. BB okay 了 BB.
Okay.
Okay, huh? Okay. We try one more. Let's say just now, you have I use another example lah. Okay. Ini cikgu padam dulu ha. Ini sudah catat oh. Okay. So let's say now I use the example ah. Okay. Sodium. Okay, sodium you have 11 electrons, 11 protons, right? Okay. And now BB. Okay, try. I just want to make sure that you can do. So what is the electron arrangement for sodium? So we follow these rules. Okay. First shell, you put in how many?
2.
Hmm?
2 electron.
Yeah, 2. So shell 1, you put in 2, right? Okay, so 2. I put in the dot. Okay. Now after put in 2, so how many left?
9.
9, right? Can I put 9 at the shell number 2?
Cannot.
Cannot. Why? Because the rules here, right? So you
Yes.
can put only 8, right? So you cannot put 9 at shell number 2. So you have to put 8 at shell number 2, right? So how many left?
1.
1. So 1 you put at shell number 3. Okay.
Okay.
So your electron arrangement is 281. Can? Okay, now Jonathan, I would like to ask you. Okay. We try another one is let's say okay, calcium. Okay, calcium. Calcium is 20 electrons. Okay, 20 electrons. Okay. Jonathan, what is the electron arrangement? Jonathan, try. Like
2.8.8.2。
来再清楚一点，老师听不清楚。
2.8.8.2。
2.8. Okay, correct. How many left? 2.8失掉吗？Third shell, can I put 10?
不能。
Cannot. So maximum can put how many?
8.
Let's bring your 8 only. So you cannot put 10. So you can put only 8, no? 10. So 2, 8, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. So remain how many?
2.
2. Okay. So 2, 8, 8, 2 咯. Okay 了. Ủa?
OK.
Okay 啊？不要一般一般哦。这个是就比较容易的是这个。OK。Trinity OK 了。Now can get. Okay 啊。You must be confident 啊 must be confidence. Okay. So after you know the electron arrangement, then you can draw. First shell you put in 2, then second shell put in 8 for sodium lah. Then third shell put in 1 lah. Okay. Now, this one is long story. This one is a electron arrangement. Okay. Now, how about the atomic structure? Okay. What is the difference of atomic structure with the electron arrangement? Okay. So you record down. Atomic structure, you must have the electron arrangement. Okay. You must draw first electron arrangement. So this one is 2, 1. 2, 1. You have to draw. Then atomic structure, you have to label the nucleus there. What is the protons and neutrons? Okay, you must include these two in the nucleus for the atomic structure. Is that okay? Protons and neutrons in the nucleus. So you have to mention these two. Okay. So we look into here. So protons we know already is the 3, right? Okay. Neutron is 4. We count just now already, huh? Okay. So you have to mention like this. Okay. This one is a nucleus. Okay, nucleus, it's a nucleus. So you have to mention. You draw a line. You mention it has 3 protons and 4 neutrons. The electron arrangement is 2. First shell 2. Second shell 1. So 2, 1. Okay, plus this one. So 2 marks, 2 marks for this. Okay, then class. Okay, our class. Any question? No response means no question, huh? Is that true? Okay. Now, okay. Last question. Hopefully we can finish this. Huh? Okay, Cynthia, can you read this question? Yeah, Cynthia.
State the meaning of nuclear number.
Okay, you answer this.
The total of proton and neutron in a nucleus of an atom.
Okay, good. The total number of proton and neutrons in the nucleus. of an atom. Okay, good, Cynthia. Now, number 2. Paris, can you answer this question? Number 2.
Both.
Yeah. Number 2, A2.
12, teacher.
What is the answer?
12.
12, huh? Okay, good. The answer is 12. Correct. Nuclear number. Okay, thank you, Paris. Number 3. Okay, next. Okay, Adriana. Sorry, not Adriana. Is it Adriana? Adrian or the Adriana here? Adrian, no, not present. No. Okay, Adrian.
State 2 subatomic particles that is located in the nucleus of an atom. Proton and neutron.
Okay, very good, Adrian. Protons and neutrons. Okay, next. Okay, BB. C.
Write the electron arrangement for atom X.
Okay, atom X. So you answer this. X. 6, right? 6 protons being 6 electrons. So how you arrange it?
2.4.
Okay, very good. 2.4. Okay, and now you can understand already. Okay, good. Okay, now, okay. I think we not able to finish the Malacca. Okay, never mind. This one, if you haven't tried, try. If already, then okay. Okay, now I'd like you to do the homework. We discuss next week. So today is 7. So homework. 7. This one. Then this one also. Oh no. Okay, this one also, 3 questions. MRSM, yes. This. Okay. You try these 3 questions. Okay. So these 3 questions. Okay. So we meet again next week.